If you take $1 million here in Miami, and I understand that they're saying that Miami is just as bad as New York. If you take $1 million and try to buy a condo in Miami, you're going to get a much better condo than you would in New York, at least in ideal areas. You're going to get a Bayview condo here in Edgewater or even downtown. Compared to buying a single family home, you can take $350,000 or $400,000 and you can buy a decent condo here in Miami. You can't find a nice house, at least in the metro area. You might be able to find some stuff out in Kendall or out west or up north, but you're not going to find something in the actual heart of Miami for anywhere close to $350 to $400. You can find a decent condo in that price range though. So that's one of the biggest things and selling points, in my opinion, when it comes to buying a condo versus a single family home. And I think that's pretty universal throughout the country. I think that condos are typically more affordable in regards to the purchase price. You do got to keep in mind association fees, which do play a role in that, but typically condos are more affordable than a single family home. Now let's talk about the association fees, which isn't Miami specific. It's just something that you're going to encounter when you're buying a condo. When it comes to the ranges, at least in Miami, you can see the cost being anywhere between 50 cents per square foot up to 80 cents to 90 cents. The association fee can be like an additional mortgage. You see association fees that are over $1,000 sometimes. And one of the other things that you got to think about too with the condo collapse, the city is going to these buildings and saying, hey, you need to get your reserves up. You got to get your reserves to a sufficient level and you need to fix X, Y, and Z. Association fees are even more expensive because there's maintenance that needs to be taken care of. When I say maintenance, I mean significant maintenance. A lot of buildings have not been getting their reserves replenished properly. So you're going to see in some instances buildings with higher association fees just to replenish their reserves so that they have the funds available in case a major repair is needed.